Hey, what's going on, you guys? So this morning I just decided to go ahead and just do a really quick warm-up of some warm-up faces, and of course you see my composition for doing the video wasn't ideal, and then I was using an older camera just because it was set up and the lighting wasn't great, so you're seeing some phasing going in and out. So my apologies for the quality. Usually I use my iPhone on 4K, so I'll be using that pretty much from now on, unless of course I'm outside. But so I decided to do faces, and I had done a narration as well, but it just didn't work out. So that being said, that's what you're seeing. Really quick warm-up before the day transpires. I love to do faces. It's one of my favorite things to do in the world. You can see that I'm changing up my shapes a little bit. I'm not really particularly going for any, any type of character design, but just having some fun, I encourage you to step outside your proverbial art box, or if you're learning to draw, definitely, change things up. I know there's a lot of different exercises out there pertaining to using shapes and whatnot. Yeah, right after that I dropped my markers. They're all over the floor. Different exercises utilizing shapes and simple shapes to create faces. Drawing doesn't have to be a taxing exercise, and it can be fun, and that's what what I'm trying to get you guys to see, and also in my channel maybe learn something here a little bit here and there. I've been creating videos for XP Pen. They've contacted me and wanted me to do some videos for them, so that's what I've been doing. That's why it's been a little sparse in between videos. And also I've been working on a Procreate video now for about 2 weeks. It's not really long, but whenever I sit down, I start the screen record, and it's just something really simple, just like a Dino Dragon type illustration. So stay tuned for that. I'll be posting that hopefully by tomorrow. Hopefully I'll finish it by tomorrow. Again, taking my time, It's always good to be working on more than one project at once. At least from my perspective, I'm working on multiple projects at work and also working on multiple projects in my private time. So we finally got it all moved in here in the mountains, which is awesome. And we're really enjoying the weather, except when it rains. Rains seems like every stinking day. So yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the rain. It's always funny whenever I have somebody that says, "Oh, we need it. We need the rain." I just want to knee them in the face. You know what you need? I needed the chops. That's what I say. Don't need rain. I think eventually I might retire in Arizona where rainfall is very limited. So anyway, thank you guys for stopping by the channel. As always, uploading videos all the time. If there's any particular characters or anything you'd like to see, then definitely leave in the comments. I had somebody request a cat, so I'm probably going to end up doing a cat. So stay tuned to the channel, and we'll see you soon. Alright guys, thanks. Bye.